Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 9th March 2026. Indian stock market sharply crashed on Monday, with Sensex and Nifty plunging 3% each and extending losses from last week as the raging war between Iran and Israel-US further escalated during the weekend, spiking crude oil prices and raising concerns over India's rupee and macroeconomics. Data released by the Reserve Bank of India shows that several foreign lenders saw a decline in their active card base in 2025, even as the overall credit card market continued to grow rapidly, driven largely by private sector banks. Among major foreign issuers, American Express saw its active cards decline to 1.334 million in January 2026 and 1.453 million a year earlier, a drop of 118,000 cards. A fresh 17-member advisory body has been assembled to ignite transformative changes within special economic zones or SEZs. This committee is set to chart a strategic blueprint for what they are calling SEZ 2.0. They will investigate the relationship between SEZs and ongoing export supply programs, while also evaluating the effectiveness of the existing SEZ Act and any recent policy adaptations. The global steel industry, including India, faces rising costs. Escalating Middle East tensions are pushing up fuel and freight rates. Crude oil and LNG prices are climbing, directly impacting steel commodity markets. This situation is expected to lead to sustained input cost inflation for steelmakers. Indian hospitals are diversifying patient sources to Southeast Asia, Africa, and Central Asia as the Middle East conflict disrupts medical travel. This shift aims to mitigate revenue losses from the region, which contributes significantly to their medical value travel earnings. The Solar Group has announced a $1.4 billion push into deep tech manufacturing, which will include a robotics and UAV ecosystem capable of producing over 10,000 military drones annually at the Mihan SEZ in Nagpur. The investment cleared by the Maharashtra government under its thrust and mega sector policy will be deployed within the next 4 years, marking the group's transition from explosives and ammunition to high technology defense systems and automation. In a world tossed between psychopaths and fanatics, sharp-elbowed bankers are sniffing around for opportunities. Private wealth managers of banks in Switzerland and Singapore are tapping NRI foundations, family offices, and wealthy individuals to set up structures and bank accounts outside the Gulf region. The new arrangements are being sold as solutions to ring-fence wealth if the situation worsens or banking services are impacted in the Gulf. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.